Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be discussing how to reorder the left navigation menu within your Canvas course. As you may see, my Canvas course has a lot of items on the left navigation, many of which I don't actually need. So what I'm going to do is start off by going down to the settings listed at the very bottom of the left navigation, and then clicking on the navigation tab here at the top. As a reminder, Butler Online recommends having the following items visible in the left navigation and disabling everything else. In some cases, you may need to have some other items enabled. However, that will be at your own discretion. Butler Online recommends having Home, Simple Syllabus, Modules, Grades, Announcements, Aviso, any LTIs your course uses, such as McGraw-Hill or Hawkes, Canvas Orientation, Butler Resources, Registration Deadlines, and Tutor Track, appearing in that order in your left navigation. To disable items, what you can do is simply click and drag and drop the item down to the area that says Drag Items Here to hide them from students. If you need to enable any items, you can do so by clicking and dragging them up again into the Viewable section. You can also disable items by clicking on the three dots on the right-hand side and selecting Disable. So, really quickly, I'm going to go ahead and remove some of these extra items and reformat this as it should be, based on Butler Online's recommendations. Now that we have just the essentials, I'm going to reorder them based on the Butler Online recommendations. Again, that's just clicking and dragging them to reorder the items so they align with the recommended format of Home, Simple Syllabus, Modules, Grades, Announcements, Aviso, any LTIs your course uses such as McGraw-Hill or Hawkes, if there are any, Canvas Orientation, Butler Resources, Registration Deadlines, and Tutor Track. As you can see, these changes have not yet taken effect on the navigation pane within my course. However, all you have to do is simply scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom. Once it refreshes, I can look at my left navigation to see that all of my items are there and anything extra is hidden from student view. In some cases, such as announcements or maybe even your modules, you may see that it is hidden from student view. And this is simply because there's no current content in it. Thank you so much and have a great day.